Welcome to Lesson 8 of Chinese from Zero for Complete Absolute Beginners. I'm Dr. Chris Ho, and in Lesson 7, we learned 在, which is at, in, or on, and how it shows where you are and what you're doing right now. Today, we're moving from where to when. We'll learn simple time words like today, tomorrow, and yesterday, and the days of the week. Just listen carefully, repeat out loud, and let your mouth do the work. Learn the rhythm. Again, before we begin, please turn on the captions in your own language if you can't use English. They are prepared by myself, and YouTube can auto translate them for you. Ready? Let's learn our first group of time words. 4 new characters and 3 new words, all using the common tiān, tiān. So again, if you listen carefully, you'll say that it's a first tone. Tiān, tiān, 今天, 今天, today. 明天, tomorrow. 明天, 明天, 今天, 昨天, 昨天, yesterday. So 今天, today, 明天, tomorrow, 昨天, yesterday. Here's a small language note. 天 is new today. It is first tone, as I've said, high and steady. 天, it originally means sky. 天, sky. But in words like 今天, 明天, and 昨天, it means day. So repeat each one slowly until the tones feel right and natural. Now let's learn a very useful word. Now. 现在, 现在. In lesson 7, you learned the word or the character 在, at, in, or on, and also used it to show actions happening right now. Today, 现 means present, and 在 here works together to mean now. 现在. Same sound 在 as before, but now part of a word for the present moment. 现在. Listen carefully. 现在. So both are fourth tone, as you can hear, short and sharp. 现在. Let's say a few example sentences you can use every day. 我现在在家。我现在在家。我现在在家。I am at home now. 我现在在家。他现在在商店。他现在在商店。He is in the shop now. 我现在在吃饭。我现在在吃饭。I am presently eating, or I'm eating now. Keep your voice short and sharp on 现, fourth tone falling down, 现 and 在. Now let's learn the days of the week, the simple, regular way. Fantastic listening and practicing the first tone. Now a new word, one new word, and the numbers 1 to 6. The new word is 星期, 星期. It's a little bit more difficult, but just listen if you can't say it out loud first. 星期. I want you to listen only first. 星期一、星期二、星期三、星期四、星期五、星期六、星期天。Notice 天 again. So 一二三四五六 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So it's day 1, day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No 7. Okay. So 星期天, the same word as we learned earlier. 天 is Sunday. Correct. It's this heaven's day. 天. So when you practice, you need to practice the word 星期 until it flows off your tongue. 星期, 星期, both are first tone 星期 and then the numbers 一二三四五六 and then you practice in a form of a singing way 一二三四五六12345 until it flows off your tongue. This pattern is very logical. 星期 means week, and then 1 to 6 are the numbers you know. And Sunday uses 天 again. So the same 天 from today, tomorrow, and yesterday. 今天明天昨天 Listen again and repeat. Now let's make 2 simple sentences. So 星期一我工作星期 week 1星期一 is 1我工作 I work on Monday, day 1 of the week, Monday. 星期六我休息 The 6th day, which is 星期六 Saturday, I rest. So I rest on Saturday. So another 2 new words. 工作工作 and 休息休息 Just listen, don't worry about it. So 工作 work, 休息 rest. So 星期六休息星期天休息 Saturday I rest, Sunday I rest. 今天 today, 明天 tomorrow, 昨天 yesterday, and 现在 now, the very present, 现在 So pause, go back, revise. 星期一星期六星期天 and the other things. So keep repeating these out loud. A few minutes of speaking every day builds confidence, and the fear of making mistakes will disappear. Yes, you do have to play this lesson and other lessons a few times and practice speaking aloud with me. I promise you, lesson 9 will be lighter, not as heavy as this lesson. Then in lesson 10, we'll bring everything together in one big review from lesson 6 to 9. So keep speaking out loud, and I'll see you in the next lesson.